all the sheds for Region 3, maintenance and construction crews, anybody that can make it. From Utah County down to Juab County, and then we take you in the Uinta Basin. It's a good time. Everybody comes out. It's a great day to get everybody together, getting everybody and just a little trash talking amongst ourselves. We got the backhoe event here behind us. Kind of go through a little maze. There's a cone maze, 3 pins that they have to pick up with the teeth of the backhoe. They got to drop them in the little hole in the top of the cones. Here we have the Mini X event. They paint the teeth a different color on the bucket. Very end, after you do all that, we have 2 frying pans, one with an egg, and you have to pick this egg up without breaking it and drop it in the other pan. So probably my favorite event, honestly. The skid steer event is over there. We have a bucket of water on a pallet. You pick it up and you have to go through a maze, and you get scored based on how much water is remaining in your bucket. So it's a lot of fun. We have a truck event. So you come in with the forks and you pick up 3 basketballs. You go through a maze and you have to dump them in a basketball hoop. It shows off a lot of your skills. A lot of this stuff takes a lot of finesse and technique. Good bragging rights for the year for the guys. I definitely hear about it throughout the year as I'm visiting the sheds, who won the events in the years previous. Good to get everybody together. Team effort, big group effort. The guys who run equipment a lot, it definitely shows in how they're able to operate this, and just takes a lot of finesse and a lot of just really fine touch.